It's the day after we got the RX7 running, and still sitting here after being ran. Haven't gotten to take it for a test drive yet because it rained all over today. It rained a whole bunch. Yeah, with the FC, hopefully tomorrow we can get it cranked and do a test drive, but got another project. I shot a video, I just never ended up making it, but got a project back here. You can sort of see it. It's a old Ford pickup, but it was really just a flip for me, but I ended up having those medical issues. Wasn't anything major, but I pretty much just couldn't walk for a few months, so yeah, it kind of took me out of the game for a while. But got the truck, trying to get it sold so I can get me something nice and dailyable. So as much as I would love to daily the RX7, most of the jobs I'm looking at are decently far away, and it would just, just the gas price, having to buy a good bit of gas because this thing is not the most economical. Who would have thought? Buys rotary, not economical. But I originally bought it as sort of my senior year of high school car because then gas wasn't really that big of a deal, but now out of high school, so I want to get something that gets a bit better gas mileage just so I'm not spending as much on gas. But keeping Nacho is going to be the fun car, which that's what I call my red FC. I know it's kind of a generic, but not that creative of a name for it. But I mean, it's red, it's a Dorito. I can get this thing 5 lug swapped because as much as I love these Inky 92s, like honestly, they look really, really good on this car. I want the bigger brakes, and also the lug pattern is just atrocious on this FC to try and find anything that I want to put on here. They just don't make them in this size anymore. I mean, I could get like old 90s Japanese wheels off like eBay, but I would rather just get something new. Oh, here's the kitty. You haven't met this kitty. I don't know, my old cat Garfield passed sadly, but this one showed up. It's another stray. They just kind of like coming out here. Her name's Gizmo, and she's about to have some gremlins, but she likes to headbutt your hand. She's really cute. It's kind of the plan for Nacho right now, get him somewhat ready for autocrossing. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'll give the RX7 a little crank. A little stubborn. Sit here and let her idle for a little bit, and then we'll hopefully take her out for a spin. Getting some smoke, but you can see a lot right now, but it's definitely a good bit of smoke right now. Yeah, there's definitely still some more vacuum leaks, you can tell by this unsteady idle. Smoke doesn't look nearly as bad from back here. It looks pretty bad like when you're in the car, but right here, it doesn't look as terrible. thoughts after the test drive. The throttle was sticking, not like the actual cable or the pedal. It's the actual plates in the throttle body. I have to take this off and I guess clean it up with some carb cleaner or something like that and grease it, and hopefully that'll keep it from sticking. So it was stuck open at 5,000 RPM when I was in neutral, which not nice. So hopefully, you know, some carb cleaner and some grease will get it fixed right up.